Yo, what's up everyone? It's Your Name back with another video, and today we're diving deep into the world of coding but with a twist. Want to learn coding but not sure where to begin? AI can be your secret weapon, like your own personal coding sensei. These tools are like having a super-powered coding buddy right next to you, helping you learn faster, debug smarter, and build some seriously cool projects. So whether you're a total beginner or you've already built a couple of websites, this video is your ultimate guide to unlocking coding superpowers with AI. Okay, let's break down why AI is a total game changer for learning to code. First up, it's all about personalized learning. We're talking AI that tailors coding lessons to your pace and style, no more generic tutorials. AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and Codeium can explain those head-scratching coding concepts right then and there in plain English. It's like having a live-in coding tutor available 24/7. AI can also be your debugging best friend, pinpointing and even fixing those pesky errors in real time. Imagine this, you're knee-deep in code and bam! You hit a wall with an error message staring you in the face. With AI, you can kiss those frustrating debugging marathons goodbye. Let's talk tools, the exciting part. AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Bing AI answer coding questions and generate code snippets. GitHub Copilot and Replit Ghostwriter offer real-time code suggestions and autocomplete. Platforms like Codeium, LeetCode, and Scrimba provide AI-powered learning experiences. Debugging tools like Tabnine, DeepCode, and Codeium AI are lifesavers. Ready to dive in and start coding with AI? Let's break it down. Step 1. Choose your programming language. Python is beginner-friendly, JavaScript is for web development, and Java or C++ are solid choices. Step 2. Use AI-assisted learning platforms. ChatGPT can guide you, and GitHub Copilot is your wingman. Step 3. Practice with AI-suggested challenges. LeetCode offers AI-powered hints. Step 4. Apply your skills to real-world projects, and use AI debugging tools to optimize your code. Now, before you dive headfirst into the world of AI-powered coding, there are a few common pitfalls to watch out for. First up, over-reliance on AI. It's crucial to understand the fundamental concepts behind the code. Don't just blindly copy and paste AI-generated code without taking the time to understand what's actually happening under the hood. Remember, coding is all about problem-solving and critical thinking, and those skills develop through hands-on experience. Let's talk about best practices for learning to code with AI. Think of AI as your coding study buddy, not your ghostwriter. Ask AI to explain concepts and guide you, not just give answers. Use AI-generated code as a starting point, not the finish line. Customize and build upon it. Experiment and tweak the code. This iterative process is where real learning happens. Step outside your AI comfort zone. Solve problems without AI sometimes. Build coding muscles and understand the logic. Actively learn and engage with the material. So, there you have it, your comprehensive guide to unlocking the world of coding with the power of AI. From personalized learning paths to AI-powered debugging tools, we've covered it all. Remember, AI isn't here to replace developers, it's here to empower them. It's about working smarter, not harder, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with code. What AI coding tools are you most excited to try or already using in your workflow? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech deep dives, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video.